REDTIGER Dash Cam Review. 4K front and rear camera feature-packed, crystal clear, and reliable. If you're in the market for a high-quality dash cam that combines cutting-edge video resolution, smart features, and reliable performance, then the REDTIGER Dash Cam, front and rear, should definitely be on your radar. In this video, I take a deep dive into the REDTIGER 4K per 2.5K Full HD dash camera system, highlighting its features, setup process, video performance, and why it could be the perfect addition to your car. Package unboxing and first impressions. Right out of the box, the REDTIGER Dash Cam feels premium. The packaging is sleek, and everything is well organized. Inside, you'll find the main 4K front dash camera, a 1080p rear camera, power cables and car charger, mounting hardware, adhesive plus suction, user manual and installation tools. The build quality is solid, compact, lightweight, but sturdy enough to withstand daily use and extreme temperatures. Movie camera video quality. This is where the REDTIGER really shines. The front camera records in 4K Ultra HD 3840x2160p, offering superb clarity, even in low-light or nighttime driving conditions. The rear camera captures at 1080p Full HD, providing a clear and wide view of what's happening behind your vehicle. I was particularly impressed with the night vision capability, thanks to the wide aperture lens and WDR, wide dynamic range technology. The camera balances exposure really well, preventing blown-out headlights or deep shadows from ruining the footage. During daytime tests, the footage was sharp enough to clearly read license plates, capture street signs, and record road details. The 170 degrees wide-angle lens ensures maximum coverage without a fisheye distortion. Wrench installation and setup. Installing the REDTIGER Dash Cam was surprisingly straightforward. The adhesive mount for the front camera is very secure, and the rear camera can be easily routed along the window and roof liner. The included power cable is long enough for most vehicles. The initial setup is user-friendly, with a bright and intuitive 3.16-inch IPS display. You can navigate settings easily with the side buttons or using the app. More on that below. Mobile phone with Aero app connectivity and GPS. One of the standout features is the Wi-Fi connectivity and companion app, REDTIGER app. With it, you can view live footage, download videos, and adjust settings, all from your smartphone. No need to remove the SD card or hook the camera to a computer. It also includes built-in GPS, which logs location, speed, and route data. Extremely useful in case of accidents or insurance claims. In my testing, the GPS synced quickly and recorded accurately. Shield advanced safety features. The REDTIGER Dash Cam doesn't just record, it protects. Here's a breakdown of its key features. Loop recording. Automatically overwrites old footage, so your SD card never fills up. G-sensor. Detects sudden impacts and locks the recording to prevent overwriting. 24-hour parking monitor. With hardwire kit, sold separately. The dash cam stays vigilant even when your car is off. Time-lapse mode. Captures long drives with minimal storage usage. I simulated a few collision scenarios, sharp braking and shaking, and the G-sensor reacted instantly, saving the video clips properly in the event folder. White heavy checkmark pros. True 4K front camera and 1080p rear cam. Excellent night vision performance. Easy setup and intuitive interface. Wi-Fi Plus app support for real-time control. Built-in GPS with route tracking. Wide-angle lenses with minimal distortion. Parking monitor and G-sensor for added security. Crossmark cons. Rear camera wire could be longer for large SUVs/trucks. Parking mode requires optional hardwire kit. No voice control, which would be a nice future addition. Pushpin final thoughts. The REDTIGER 4K Dash Cam offers tremendous value for its price. Whether you're a daily commuter, rideshare driver, or just want peace of mind on the road, this dual dash cam system delivers on all fronts: clarity, reliability, and smart features. I was genuinely impressed with how easy it was to use, and the footage quality was better than many higher-priced competitors. This dash cam not only protects your car, but also gives you a reliable witness in case of accidents, vandalism, or road rage incidents. If you're considering investing in a dash cam, the REDTIGER front and rear dash cam is highly recommended. Clapperboard watch the full video for footage examples, installation tips, and side-by-side comparisons of day versus night performance. Inbox Stray drop your questions or share your own experience in the comments below. Link, add your affiliate link or product link here if applicable. Thumbs up if you found this review helpful. Please like and subscribe for more reviews and car tech content.